Hello dear students, this is your English teacher Sunil Sharma. In my last video I taught you use of ism are. So hopefully you understood that topic. Today I am going to teach you our second topic, use of was verb. So in last video you gave me a lot of love, that's why I thought that I should make a second one. So let's start now, use of was verb. So second topic, use of was and verb. Non-action. Non-action, I told you that you will not find any form of verb. No verb. No action will be going on in these kind of sentences. So was and verb. First of all, you must know that where to use was and where to use verb. So first of all, I write the subjects where we use was with them. I, he, she, it and singular. With these subjects we use was, and with we, you, they and plural we use verb. So take a look. With I, he, she, it and singular we use was, and with we, you, they plural we use verb. In last topic what we did, that was use of ism are. That was present, now we are talking about past. Was verbs are counted in past. Whenever you want to describe anything which happened in the past, about the position, about the statement, that time we use was and verb. Fine. So I told you that in each topic you will find 5 parts. So first part is, name is, if you remember, that is affirmative. And affirmatives are simple sentences. So in ism are formation was subject, ism are then object. Now subject, in the place of ism are we will use was verb and then object. Now you can make any sentence using was verb. वह जल्दी में था. Any third person is there and we are talking about that जल्दी में था, तो how to say in English? He was in a hurry. He was in a hurry. So this is use of was, because so what is the subject? Subject is he, third person. He, with he, she, it, name and singular. As I told you earlier, we use was, so he was in a hurry. वे बिल्कुल भी काम के नहीं थे. About some person you are talking about, ना यार काम के बंदे नहीं थे वो कुछ भी. So they were good for nothing. They were good for nothing. Good for nothing means किसी भी काम का ना होना. Just suppose that just suppose that one student is there and I say that please get me that glass of water, and he goes take that glass, and while coming he just leaves the glass and the glass breaks down. So what I will say, I can say that you are good for nothing. या तो तुम काम करते नहीं हो और करते हो तो फिर इस तरह से तुम्हारा काम रहता है. मतलब काम की जो क्वालिटी है तुम्हारी बिल्कुल जीरो है, राइट। तो गुड फॉर नथिंग, कोई काम का ना होना। आप किसी को अगर कहना चाहो, जो आपको लगता है, जब भी मैं इसको कोई फेवर के लिए बोलता हूं तो ये हमेशा या तो करता ही नहीं है, और करता है तो बकवास, तो यू कैन से यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग। इन दैट केस यू कैन से ना यार कोई काम का बंदा नहीं है, यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग। So this was affirmative. Now second, negative. Negative, you know that नहीं वाले वाक्य है, simply we add not. So formation is very easy. After was were, yes, you need to use not and a last object. Make a sentence, तुम वहां नहीं थे, तुम वहां नहीं थे, तुम वहां नहीं थे। So how we say in English? So तुम, you know that you, and you, with you we use were. These are helping verbs. With singular we use was, with plural we use were. You were not there. और यही ऐसे होता सेंटेंस, मैं उस वक्त घर पर नहीं था। तो मैं सबसे पहले उठाइए, देखो मैं फॉर्मेशन में सब्जेक्ट आया मैं, उसके बाद विद आई वी यूज वॉज, आई वॉज, देन नॉट। अब बचा हुआ पार्ट क्या रह गया, घर पर, आई वॉज नॉट एट होम। अगर इतना ही होता भी मैं घर पर नहीं था तो आई वॉज नॉट एट होम, और उस वक्त तो दैट टाइम, that time. Easy? So negative simply you will add not, nothing else. It is very easy. So third part is interrogative. Third part, interrogative, जिसको हम बोलते हैं क्या वाले प्रश्न। Questioning where you find the answer in yes or no. I told you yesterday, if I say is it whiteboard, so you can say yes it is, और नहीं लगता तो आपके ओपिनियन में तो आप कह सकते हैं नो। तो कोई आंसर जब yes और no में दिया जाता है, these questions fall out under interrogative sentences. So here we use helping verb in the starting. First of all, was verb, then subject, then object, and don't forget to mention to sign question mark. Make a sentence, क्या वह सुंदर थी, क्या वह सुंदर थी। So what we say? Now we cannot say she was or like this. First of all, we have to use was were, and from where we come to know whether we use was or were. So you have to see here. We are talking about what is the subject. So she is there. With she we use was. Was she beautiful? अगर सेंटेंस होता है इसको हम हाइड कर ले, वह सुंदर थी, तो हम बनाते she was beautiful। वही सेंटेंस अगर क्वेश्चनिंग में आ जाता है क्या वह सुंदर थी, तो was she beautiful, वो was, यानी कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल यूज was। क्या तुम उसके साथ नहीं थे, क्या तुम, सो वर, why वर, बिकॉज सब्जेक्ट इज यू, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकेंड पर्सन, तो तुम है तो यू हो जाएगा, यू के साथ लगता है वर, तो वॉज वर हमको इसी से पता चलता है भी क्या यूज किया जाए। तो वर यू क्या है, क्या तुम उसके साथ थे, सॉरी अभी नोट नहीं आया, इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव में आएगा, तो क्या तुम उसके साथ थे, सो वर यू विद हिम, वर यू विद हिम। सो दिस इज interrogative sentences. First of all, use was were, then subject, then object, and don't forget to sign of question mark. So this way you can do interrogative. Very simple. Then interrogative negative, fourth part. Add note after subject. इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव, जो हमारे होते हैं सेंटेंस क्या नहीं वाले वाक्य. So wasn't, weren't you can say, or was, were, subject, not and object. Yes, was, were, subject, not object. उसी को बनाते हैं जैसे क्या वह, चलो ये कर लो, घर पर नहीं था. So what to use, was or were? What is the subject here? So it is वह, third person. So with वह, he or she, तो था, so obviously it is a male. So was he not at home? Was he not at home? क्या वे खिलाड़ी नहीं थे? देखो सेंटेंस कोई भी बना लो, मैं सेंटेंसेस बना रहा हूं, मतलब बेसिक जो है आपको सीखना है कि फॉर्मेशन क्या होती है. सेंटेंसेस कुछ भी बनाए जा सकते हैं, आपके वोकैब है, वोकैब को आप यूज कीजिए, फिर थाउजेंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस यू कैन मेक. सो अब ये मत देखना कि ये वाले सेंटेंसेस क्या यूजफुल है नहीं है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन फॉर्मेट. फॉर्मेट क्या है? सो वर दे नॉट players? Were they not players? Question mark. So this way we have completed, successfully completed, interrogative, negative. So was, were, subject, not object. And here also you can put question mark. So last one is WH family. WH family, last. Prashanvachak, these are also like interrogative sentences. Difference between, this is also the part of interrogative sentences, but here difference between interrogative, that interrogative and this WH family, there you can answer your question, any question in yes or no, but here you have to describe the things. You cannot say yes or no. If somebody asks you, are you from Sirsa? So you can say yes or no. But if somebody asks you, from where are you? Then you cannot answer in yes or no. You have to describe that yes, I am from somewhere else, जो भी है. So WH family, was, were, subject, object and question mark. तुम कल एब्सेंट क्यों थे? So क्यों, what we say in English, why. Now need to use was or were, because talking about past. So in past we use was, were. So why, what to use, was or were? So talking about you, second person. So here were will be used. Why were you absent yesterday? Right? वह कौन थी? वह कौन थी? So कौन, what we say in English, who was she? Who was she? देखिए सब्जेक्ट लास्ट पे सब्जेक्ट ही आएगा, कुछ नहीं है तो हमने वहीं पे एंड कर दिया सेंटेंस का. So this is use of was, were. So students, I think this video now 6 to 7 minutes. Okay. So it was very much simple topic. Use of was, were. Earlier we had done use of is, am, are. So I think that you don't have any sort of problem regarding these two topics. These are very much easy. Those who are beginners, make a notebook. I already told you that start making a good notebook with good handwriting, and these will be 15 to 16 topics. And after completing these topics, you won't be having any sort of problem regarding making any sentence. कोई आप सेंटेंस बनाना चाहते हैं, अपनी तरफ से कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, so these things are depend on practice. It is up to your practice. आप कितना करते हैं. हर कोई बराबर नहीं सीख पाता, कोई बहुत ज्यादा सीख जाता है, कोई बहुत कम सीख लेता है. तो आपको ये पता चला यूज ऑफ वॉज, राइट. So yesterday I told you about that was, what was that? First I wrote woo, then second, what was that word? So okay, let it be, छोड़ो, let it be, छोड़ो. आज का कोई वर्ड करते हैं हम व्हाट. एक स्लैंग बता देता हूं, जैसे ऐसे बोलते हैं हेलो गाइस. सो ये गाइस क्या होता है? इट कैन बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ आइदर ग्रुप ऑफ मेल और ग्रुप ऑफ फीमेल. तो आपने सुना होगा हेलो गाइस. तो ये गाइस ग्रुप ऑफ मेल और फीमेल है. ये वर्ड्स जो होते हैं ये क्या, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? स्लैंग बोलते हैं. स्लैंग क्या होते हैं? ये इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स होते हैं. हमारे दोस्तों के साथ, हमारे रिलेटिव के साथ, किन के साथ जो वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं ये स्लैंग होते हैं. आप इनको अपने ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम में या कोई फॉर्मल कुछ लिख रहे हो तो देयर यू कैन नॉट यूज दीज स्लैंग्स, बट यस इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश यू कैन यूज दिस. सो many slangs are there, thousands of slangs are there, and it just keeps changing also time to time. So this is all about second topic. So tomorrow we will do third topic. Don't make sorry, what to say. Okay, bye bye.